It's our television for tonight. Lovely. He wasn't bothered about the rain, but it started to hail instead. It stopped again now.
And that's quickly as it comes, it goes, yeah.
So glad I bought the top.
Well, that's snow soon. It's cold enough for snow.
Yeah, my banshee, chair, bush pot. Ronnie's trying to charge his solar panel charger. I don't know much hope. Yeah. I'll show you some of my new things I've got. Back in a minute. My new sleeping bag. It's only a cheap one, but it's supposed to be really warm, and it was -6 last night, and it was fine. But I was laid up. A fleece liner. My ex-bed pillow. I've had it for about a year now, so there's a lot of new ones out there now. I saw cheaper. My ex-bed mat. It's ex-bed Sin Mat 9, long and wide. And my crap. And my power bank. It's really good for this weather. Yeah, but that's my setup. Right, we've had wind, rain, hail, and we've had all sorts. Still really nice being here though, to be honest. Show you around a little bit. Been here a few times now. It's convenient. So we had the fire. Yeah, it was lovely. We didn't get up till about 9 o'clock today. I sleep well though. Yeah. That'll be cleared away. We might have another one tonight. I ain't going to start another one somewhere else. I'm back in a bit later on. Just using my bush pot to make a brew with. Brilliant. I've had it for about 3 years now. I don't use it enough, really, because I'm having quite a bit of kit now. But I thought I'd bring it out. So I'm waiting for it to boil and nice coffee. It's freezing. Yep. So thanks William for sending it me. I really treasure this, one of my most important pieces of kit I've got. So thank you. So to give a mention to one of my kids' friends, well my friend as well. I knew from growing up from when she was at school, and she loves this outdoor stuff as well now. Surprises me really, but she's really getting into it a lot. This is my setup, Emma. You should come up here one of the days when you're down this neck of the woods again. It's really great seeing your photos and everything on Facebook. Really pleased with me. So thanks for sharing your stuff, what you do. Take care of yourself, you and your family. Yep, that's it for now. Well, it's raining again. Just I'll show you. Look like I got a terrorist in me. Pissing down the rain. Believe it or not, that's Ronnie.
Big thumbs up.
Give him a sub.
Give me an umbrella.
So how are you finding your camp?
I'm loving it. Absolutely. No, I'm seriously loving it. You know, I'm not a fair weather camper. This is big thumbs up.
Proper wild camp, is it?
Oh yeah. You know.
If you look carefully, viewers, you can see the water dripping down the side of him.
Not touching the umbrella.
It's been like this all night. Doesn't make any difference when you're in your tent, like. But
It come down as well.
yeah.
Didn't it? It really come down last night.
Yeah. Thank God for tarps. If we didn't bring the tarp, we would have been in our tents now. Him in his tent and me in mine.
Yeah.
Not together. Well, we've had -6 weather. We've had rain, hailstones.
Wind. It gusted up some last night.
Yeah, we had lots of wind, didn't we?
Alright, that is weird.
We had a really good campfire last night, even though I said so myself. It kept us up warm for about 2 hours, I think.
Yeah. Good 2 hours.
Well, it took 3 hours to find the wood. No, it was really good. Really enjoyed that. Still rather be here than anywhere else. Except for the lakes or Scotland or somewhere like that, but this will do. Tested some new kit out. And now I'm waffling, so I'm going. I can't be doing with this. Right, talk to you later. Grabbing steak for dinner tonight. See you later. Bye. J-Core camping. Cooking steak at -4. Bloody freezing. Yours is done, isn't it, Ron?
Yeah. Yeah. Just kind of flavouring up some mushrooms and onions.
Show it over. Lovely. Right, I'm going to have to go now. Go cook this steak and get in our tent. Well, get in my tent and run in his.
It's cold.
Yeah.
It's cold. It's bloody cold.
Right then. See you later. Just what we need when we're packing up. Alright, mate. Is this what they mean by wild camping? Right, I better carry on packing up. We're going to get picked up. Let's go camping, they said. It's fun, they said. Right, I've got to go, obviously.